The last gas we'll be talking about is ammonia, which has a molecular formula of NH3. It has 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens, as you can see in the figure. So, ammonia is less dense than air and is extremely soluble in water. So it is considered less dense than air and extremely soluble in water. It is only collected upwards into test tube or gas jar. So we collect ammonia upwards, as we can see in the figure. Ammonia is alkaline gas, so it is a base. Also, it turns damp red litmus paper blue. So if it turned the red litmus paper into a blue color, it means that it's an alkaline gas. So as we said, ammonia is less dense than air. It's extremely soluble in water. We collect it upwards, and it's an alkaline gas, turning the damn red litmus paper blue.